Hi, are you the new iPhone 4?
I must say that I am.
So are you here to replace me?
Are you in Iran?
Why you call me that?
Every time something new comes out it replaces the old.
But I still got few tricks up my hardware.
No you don't, whatever you think of I can do better.
I have 5 apps.
Well I only have hundreds.
I have 3G speed and fast.
Okay that's better than other phones but I have 4 grams.
I am the only phone with YouTube.
Please with me you can play Xbox Live.
You can check the weather with me.
Well listen to me, I can make the weather.
How?
I have an apps to God.